need this job for me.
I mean, just this is an issue here with that's contaminated. I mean, it's not up to me.
Boss, please. You know, maybe you have you had to hard days. So
Yeah.
I am problems economics in this moment. If I lose this job, I don't know what happened because I need pay the rent now. Start the month. Yeah, I know.
Right.
My wife called to send me the $1,000 for the moment, but I promise
gonna be-
really.
I mean, just cleaning that up. I mean, someone's gonna have to come here now and suck that diesel out. They have to drain it. That's gonna cost a lot of money. Then they have to fix it maybe temporarily, so I can continue with my job, because I got stuff to deliver and stuff to pick up.
Yes, sir.
But I mean, we need to get that fixed now, because the more leaks, they'll charge you.
Yes, sir. You can. You can help me.
What?
You can help me.
Can I what?
Are you cool? Help me, please.
I don't understand what you're saying.
¿Podrías ayudarme recibiéndome los $1,000 que tengo y prometo pagar el resto?
Could you help me by receiving the $1,000 I have and I promise to pay the rest?
No, that won't work.
How much do you need for help?
I don't know. The fuel tank alone, there's so much involved. It's not just fix it and go. It is not just a fix and go.
Es una solución y un objetivo.
Yes, sir. So if you call me, my boss use the insurance for yeah. But I lose my job. Yeah. I lose the job. It really.
The corner of the ramp. A little lighter out now. July 9th, 2024. It's 5:15 a.m. Cheyenne, Wyoming. Here we are. That's the first attempt at fixing it. That ain't gonna work.